Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but completely honest finding Tay changes everything. Check this out if you love smart solutions. I was bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it works exactly as advertised, I was completely sold. It is worth every single penny because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it delivers outstanding results instantly. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade while stocks last. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear